Water Service in Wichita has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Reno County in south central Kansas until 5:45 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sylvia and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles, roofs and windows. Minor tree damage, with limbs up to 1 inch in diameter broken. Locations impacted include Hutchinson, Hobbyville, Arlington, Partridge, Pretty Prairie, South Hutchinson, Plevna, Langdon, Yoder and Willowbrook. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of it.